Hi, welcome to ICS5, Global Disruption in Information Technology. I'm Professor Bill Tomlinson. We have two teaching assistants who will be helping me with the class, Clara Marquez Caldera and Anju Prakash, and you'll be interacting with the three of us over the course of the quarter. And on behalf of the teaching staff, I just wanted to say thank you for taking this class. I think it's going to be an exciting 10 weeks, and we're glad to have you with us. So, this is a course being offered online across the entire UC system. We have students from a bunch of different campuses. And since it's offered online, some of you may be in different spots in the world as you're taking the various parts of the class. And so if you have any issues with the technology, please let us know, because we want to make sure that it's all goes as smoothly as an offline course. The core topics of this course are global disruption and information technology, as you might have told from the title. One of the core themes running throughout the class is the idea of anthropogenic environmental change. Anthropogenic is a word that comes from two Greek words, anthropos and genesis. So anthropos means a human being and genesis means created. So anthropogenic environmental change is environmental change that was created by people. And a big body of scientists called the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change was quoted as saying, most of the observed increase in global average temperatures since the mid-20th century is very likely due to the observed increase in anthropogenic greenhouse gas concentrations. And so here we see a panel of lots of different scientists who have come together to agree that the climate change that we're seeing is caused by humans. And so this climate change is causing a variety of different shifts that are potentially problematic. So sea level is rising, growing seasons are shifting, and these and other factors are causing a variety of economic and social changes in many different parts of the world. And so this is a problem. We have a changing world, and there's not a clear solution to how we should address it. And so in this class, we'll be looking at information technology as one particular piece of a potential human response to climate change and other global disruption problems. At its heart, we want to acknowledge, though, that climate change and environmental issues are a human problem, rather than one that can be solved by technology. So it's not just a matter of waving your magic wand and having all the problems go away through some special technology. However, we see the possibility that information technology could be central to the ways in which humans address these kinds of problems. IT presents some of the most powerful tools that we've had across human history, and could potentially help us make and envision new ways of living that don't have such an impact on the planet as the ways we currently live. So, with regard to the question, will climate change compromise our quality of life? I would like to offer that in many parts of the world, quality of life is already compromised. So in lots of places around the world, people don't have access to healthy food and clean water and clean air, and people suffer from oppression and financial inequality, and there are animals suffering in many different parts of the world, and many different species are going extinct. And even in industrialized nations, like here in the US, we find that lots of people have unfulfilling jobs and aren't necessarily feeling like they're living a enjoyable life, and they are eating unhealthy food, and many people are taking antidepressants as a way of addressing this. And many people, especially students, are hobbled by debt, and loneliness is a topic that is rampant throughout the world as well. And so in this class, we operate from the stance that we hope we can do better, that the U.S. is a leader in the world, and California is a leader in the U.S., and the University of California system is a leader in California. And by taking this course, you have the opportunity to help build something powerful across the entire UC system. And hopefully that can then ripple out into California and the U.S. and the rest of the world. Overall, let's figure out how to live together in a way that's great for us and great for future generations as well. Thank you again for being part of this class. I think it's going to be awesome, and I hope you have an enjoyable time with us. Thank you.